Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a huge scandal. We'll explore how the Volkswagen emissions scandal was first uncovered. It's a fascinating story of science, persistence, and a big cover-up. It all started with some curious researchers. Many people wondered why diesel cars performed so well in lab tests but seemed dirtier on the road. The International Council on Clean Transportation, or ICCT, wanted answers. They are a non-profit research group. They decided to fund a small study. They partnered with West Virginia University, or WVU. A team led by Professor Daniel Carter took on this task. Their goal was simple: test real-world emissions. They chose 3 diesel cars for their study. 2 were Volkswagen models, a Jetta and a Passat. The third was a BMW X5. They used special equipment called portable emissions measurement systems. This allowed them to measure pollutants while driving on actual roads. Their findings were shocking for the VW cars. The VW Jetta and Passat emitted far more nitrogen oxides, or NOx, on the road than in the lab. Sometimes, it was up to 35 times higher. The BMW, however, performed as expected. The WVU team published their results in May 2014. The ICCT then shared these findings with the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, the EPA. They also informed the California Air Resources Board, or CARB. The EPA started investigating immediately. They asked Volkswagen for an explanation. VW initially denied any wrongdoing. They blamed technical glitches and various technical issues. They even issued a voluntary recall in late 2014 for a software update. They claimed this would fix the problem. But the EPA was not fooled. They retested the fixed cars. The emissions were still too high. The EPA kept pushing. They told VW that they would not certify their 2016 diesel models for sale in the US. This was a huge threat. It meant VW could not sell new diesel cars in America. Facing this ultimatum, Volkswagen finally confessed. In September 2015, they admitted to installing defeat devices. These were special software programs. They could detect when the car was undergoing an emissions test. During the test, the car would run in a clean mode. But in normal driving, the software would switch off the emissions controls. This allowed the cars to emit pollutants far above legal limits. It gave them better performance and fuel economy. The EPA and CARB then publicly announced the violation. The news broke worldwide. This exposed Volkswagen's massive deception. It was a huge scandal that cost the company billions. Thank you for watching this deep dive into how the VW scandal came to light. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps this channel create more content like this. We appreciate every single one of you.